Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to activate Tumblr Labs directly from the Tumblr app on your phone. Tumblr Labs is an experimental feature that allows you to try out new tools and updates before they are officially released, giving you an enhanced blogging experience. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Then click on Account Settings. Scroll down the page until you find the Labs section. This is where all experimental features are stored. Finally, turn on the option to activate Tumblr Labs. Once activated, you can start exploring new tools and experimental features directly within the app. Remember that these features are still in testing, so some may change or be updated over time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching,